This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix FIFA Mobile keep crashing on iPhone issues. Whenever you open your FIFA Mobile app, you are facing the auto closing or not opening issues. Follow these easy steps to fix this issue. So the first solution is check for update. Go to your app store and search for FIFA Mobile. If you see any update available, update the FIFA app and then check the issue. The second solution is offload the FIFA Mobile app. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and tap on FIFA Mobile. Tap on Offload app and offload the app from here and reinstall it from here and then check the issue. The third solution is enable background app refresh. Open settings, tap on General, tap on background app refresh, select Wi-Fi and mobile data and then check the issue. And the fourth solution is free up your iPhone storage. Open settings, scroll down, tap on Safari, scroll down, tap on clear history and website data, and then tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and from here offload or uninstall unnecessary apps. Also, you can delete unnecessary photos from your Photos app to free up your iPhone storage and then check the issue. The last solution is give a simple restart. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.